सबने देखी शेखावत, कैसा लगा भैरव सिंह शेखावत?
सबने देखी, काफी ढेर सारा प्यार मिला, काफी अच्छा लगा। इसके आगे उसके बाद पुष्पा पे बात करेंगे। लायंस गोल्ड अवार्ड्स है।
जी हाँ,
क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? सक्सेसफुल 30 इयर्स
30 ग्लोरियस ईयर्स। मतलब अभी लायंस अवार्ड्स ऐसे हो गए हैं कि जितने भी प्रेस्टीजियस अवार्ड्स हैं इसमें हमारे प्रोफेशन में, अगर वो शेल्फ में लगे हुए अवार्ड्स में अगर लायंस अवार्ड ना हो तो अधूरा सा लगता है। सो एक तो पहले तो बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद राजू जी को, पूरी लायंस टीम को 30 साल पूरे करने के लिए। और मुझे लगता है कि अब तो ये एक अभिन्न अंग बन चुका है इंडस्ट्री का, लायंस अवार्ड। मैं क्या कहूँगा, कहेंगे आप? मैं तो सुनना चाह रहा था कि आपको कैसा लगा। जी 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 थैंक यू सो मच। एंड मतलब जिस तरह का फीडबैक मिल रहा है मुझे, मतलब कमाल, मजा आ रहा है। जी, आई थिंक जब काम अच्छा होता है और एक कलाकार, आप फहद फासिल बहुत अच्छे एक्टर हैं, एक कलाकार का काम अगर आप जस्टिफाई करते हैं अपनी आवाज़ के साथ और अगर उसको उभार भी देते हैं तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, तो अच्छा ही लगता है। जी, एक्सट्रीमली अनफॉर्चुनेट। या अभी देखिए, सोचने वाली बात है कि उसमें किसी भी कलाकार का क्या कसूर है। जो भी हुआ है उसमें किसी कलाकार का तो कोई कसूर है नहीं। अब लेकिन लॉ टेक्स इट्स ओन कोर्स, बट आई थिंक जो हुआ मेरे अपने नज़र में सही नहीं हुआ, ज़रूरत नहीं। थैंक यू।
Lions Gold Award, always the best, and Rajuji. We have won the award for Best Short Film in Lions Gold Award. My film Hunar, and my film Hunar, this is the 7th award. So I'm feeling very thrilled and happy.
Yes, it's a happy moment and many congratulations to Lions Gold Awards and Raju ji for completing 30th year of Lions Gold Awards. And we're very excited. It's a proud moment that we have won award for our film Hunar. Thank you so much.
And thank you so much. Thank you.
To them, and I'm very excited to join them. Stay tuned for that. अभी तो फिलहाल a song is coming soon. अभी तो मैंने बीच में फॉलो नहीं किया है, but I am supporting Vivian ji. Thank you.
It's a big NGO and they are contributing at really amazing level on like in every field, and this time this initiative to help the family of martyrs, when I heard it was like amazing. Thank you so much for doing all these things. You guys are great. Thank you.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ। उन्होंने बहुत अच्छा ऑनर किया और पिछले 30 साल से इस अवार्ड को ये कंटिन्यू किए जा रहे हैं और सक्सेसफुली, और बहुत सारे लोगों को ये अवार्ड देते हैं और बहुत सारे लोग बहुत सारे फील्ड में योगदान देते हैं, तो इनको बहुत सारी बधाई, और पारुल को भी बहुत बधाई। दिसंबर को रिलीज़ हो रही है और परिवार की फिल्म है, परिवार के लिए बनाई गई है, और बस परिवार के साथ इस फिल्म को देखें 20 दिसंबर को, यही कहना चाहूँगा। बहुत आनंद आएगा।
I'm super glad.
it's amazing. I think I've just got to know about it, and I'm super glad that I'm part of it with my very first song in Sabarmati. So every year I'll keep coming. That's my promise to you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
I'm just so honored to be nominated and to always come to Gold Award and receive an award. It's been, I really look forward for these awards, and you guys are doing a great initiative. Of course, it's a great NGO, and I would love to personally be associated with it. So yeah, that's a request if we can do it. And so yeah, it's a great honor to come here and to be nominated. किसके लिए? Okay, thank you.
काफी टाइम मिला था तो एंड में लोगों को पसंद नहीं आया कि जल्दी ऑफर हो गया जो भी अनफॉर्चुनेटली था तो व्हाट नेक्स्ट
Next is a film called Azad, which is coming in January 2025. So that's next. And Chamak Season 2. Thank you.
Hello. What are you doing? I'm giving the award. This is my childhood. Wait till you grow up. That's awesome. Bye. Bye. It's okay. So we are back.
I think the secret behind my style and my always looking the way that I look is comfort. I like to be comfortable in everything that I wear, and I think when you're comfortable, the authentic you comes out. So I find comfort very good for me, and I love stylish clothes. I love being like, I love adorning myself with, as you can see, jewels and just makeup, hair. I love the whole, like they say, Radha used to do Sola Singhar, so hum ye karte. Oh.
So what is your space? What's your space?
I don't think, as a person, I don't think I think of myself in terms of just being Indian or just being Western. I look at myself as a global citizen, and I cherish and I really love my Indian roots, and I really feel them in my heart. But as far as Western culture and wearing like fun dresses, I think the key is to be comfortable in whatever you wear, and I think that's what comes across, and that's why it's easy for me to be comfortable in saris and be comfortable in like short dresses and jackets and things like that.
And lastly, what do you have to say about the second largest NGO in the world, ICE?
I want to say thank you for acknowledging me, and I look forward to many more of these awards.
Well, Lions Gold Award has already, they awarded me something which was last year. And it's a very prestigious award, so it's always an honor to be a part of this amazing award show. And I'm going to go inside and I'm going to enjoy like we always do. Thank you.
To be honored with the award. Thank you so much for having me. Thank you.
Extremely honored to consecutively be a part of an organization like this, is because they've been doing tremendous work for over 30 years now, is what we know. And I think I'm just honored to be a part of their long running legacy, and year after year I'm a part of this, and I feel grateful and blessed. Thank you very, very much to each and every one of you. All the very best. यार हाफ लव हाफ अरेंज को बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार मिल रहा है, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. मैं आपको बताऊं, मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है, बिकॉज every time I come up on screen and people love it, it's cloud nine for me. So thank you for loving Wait so much. Thank you.
This is my first time though, but I'm excited, looking forward. Maybe while coming back with award, then definitely. Thank you.
On for last 30 years, so congratulations to them, and I'm overwhelmed to be here.
What are your upcoming projects the audience wants?
So something is coming up very soon. I have already started shooting for it, and it's a good show coming soon. Hope to see you guys soon.
Are you watching it?
No, not at all. Not at all. अभी बोला ना शो कर रही हूँ, तो नया शो आने वाला है. Thank you.
My short film Hunar has won the award, and thank you to Lions Gold Award for recognizing everybody our work for the film Hunar. And the film Hunar is it's all about parenting. It's about a father and son story, where the father is putting his talent into his son, and the son has talent for something else. So thank you to Lions Gold Award for giving us this award. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
It's wonderful, and the way they have maintained themselves, I wish them all the best, and I wish them more and more success. I'm glad to be a part of it. I was here last year too, and this year too. So I hope that many more years to come, I also continue to associate with them. Right now, yes, I am in talks, but I cannot announce. The biggest project which has just been announced is my own brand, which I have just launched yesterday, which is a natural skincare brand, which is called Love Thy Nature. So I'm completely focused on that right now. About my acting assignments, hopefully soon I can make an announcement.
People are excited to watch the upcoming season.
I'm excited too. I really hope it comes soon. Thank you.
Thank you. Arun ma'am, right? It's coming. Yes, sir. Second one. Yes, sir. Kartik sir, यहाँ पर. Kartik sir. The center look here, sir. पीछे mobile करो. Thank you.
आराम से